Hi guys, welcome to Cooper Motorcycles. This is our beautiful Suzuki GSXR1000 AL8 ABS Moto GP edition. This beautiful bike was registered on the 1st of March 2019. It's had just one owner and comes with a full service history, all done by the supplying dealer, and it's serviced up to date. We can do UK delivery, comes with up to 3 years RAC warranty, and we offer finance through our partners at MotoNovo Finance. It's a beautiful bike, it's very clean, it's been loved. Have a look around the video. Note that it's been fitted with a data tool alarm, a tail tidy, a Beowulf exhaust on a hanger, and I've got all the standard bits and bobs as well. Anyway, hope you like it.